learn 50 important German verbs. Können, can. Haben, to have. Werden, will. Müssen, must. Wollen, to want. Sollen, should. Mögen, to like. Machen, to do. Sagen, to say. Gehen, to go. Kommen, to come. Wissen, to know. Sehen, to see. Geben, to give. Finden, to find. Spielen, to play. Sprechen, to speak. Essen, to eat. Trinken, to drink. Lesen, to read. Schreiben, to write. Hören, to hear. Arbeiten, to work. Leben, to live. Wohnen, to reside. Lernen, to learn. Bringen, to bring. Suchen, to look for. Bezahlen, to pay. Beginnen, to begin. Schließen, to close. Öffnen, to open. Helfen, to help. Bleiben, to stay. Laufen, to run. Brauchen, to need. Tragen, to wear. Zeigen, to show. Antworten, to answer. Fragen, to ask. Verstehen, to understand. Verkaufen, to sell. Kaufen, to buy. Schlafen, to sleep. Denken, to think. Warten, to wait. Fahren, to drive. Drücken, to push. Ziehen, to pull. Enden, to end. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe. Bye.